Ayokong umasa sa iba.
I don't want to rely on others.
Handa ka na ba sa gagawin natin ngayon?
Are you ready for what we are going to do today?
Bakit hindi mo nagustuhan?
Why didn't you like it?
Mag-usap tayo mamaya.
Let's talk later.
Patawarin mo na ako.
Please forgive me.
Bakit hindi mo tinanggap ang alok niya?
Why didn't you accept his offer?
Magsalita ka naman.
Please talk.
Punong-puno na ako sayo.
I've already had enough of you.
Umalis na tayo bago pa umulan.
Let's leave before it rains.
Kailangan kong mag-ipon para sa ating kinabukasan.
I need to save for our future.
Nasa bahay ako kanina.
I was at home earlier.
Bakit wala ka sa bahay kagabi?
Why weren't you at home last night?
Anong gagawin ko?
What should I do?
Bakit mo ako tinatanong niyan?
Why are you asking me that?
Lasing ka ba kahapon?
Were you drunk yesterday?
Ibigay mo sa akin.
Give it to me.
Akala ko madali pero mahirap pala.
I thought it was easy but it turned out to be difficult.
Bakit ang ingay sa labas?
Why is it noisy outside?
Pangako, babalikan kita.
I promise I'll get back to you.
May problema ka ba?
Do you have a problem?
Nahanap mo na ba ang hinahanap mo?
Have you found what you are looking for?
Sigurado ka ba?
Are you sure?
Hindi ako sanay sa ganito.
I'm not used to this.
Bakit ang daming tao sa kanila?
Why are there so many people among them?
Huwag mo akong lapitan.
Don't come near me.
Pwede mo ba akong tulungan?
Can you help me?
Maghugas ka muna ng pinggan.
Wash the dishes first.
May kailangan ka ba?
Do you need anything?
Gusto ko ng matulog.
I want to sleep.
Hinihintay kita kaninang umaga.
I was waiting for you this morning.
Magbihis ka muna.
Get dressed first.
Bakit ngayon ko lang nalaman?
Why I just found out now.
Gawin mo kung ano ang gusto ko.
Do what I want.
Bakit lagi kang tinatamad?
Why are you always lazy?
Ilang beses ko bang dapat ipaliwanag sa'yo?
How many times do I have to explain to you?
Akala ko ba ayaw mo sa kanya?
I thought you didn't like him?
Magkita-kita naman tayo minsan.
Let's meet sometime.
Maaari mo bang buksan ang ilaw?
Can you turn on the light?
Hindi pa ako sigurado tungkol dito.
I'm not sure about this yet.
Huwag mo na akong hintayin.
Don't wait for me.
Malalagpasan ko din ito.
I will get through this too.
Ipaliwanag kung ano ang nangyari.
Explain what happened.
May tinatago ka ba sa akin?
Are you hiding something from me?
Kilalanin muna ang isa't isa.
Get to know each other first.
Bakit hindi mo ako maalala?
Why don't you remember me?
Huwag mong sabihin sa kanya.
Don't tell him.
Walang anuman.
You're welcome.
Mukha kang tanga.
You look like a fool.
Kailan ka aalis?
When are you leaving?
Huwag kang sumigaw, hindi ako bingi.
Don't shout, I'm not deaf.
Lahat ng bagay may hangganan.
Everything has a limit.